Well, third year around, Sons of Sandman. Hello guys, it's Sandman here again with another Sandman / Diego Armando update. And this time we talk about episode 74, 75, 76. So in episode 74, this was third year, bad weather ruined, going hunting or camping or picnic. That year just so happened to be a picnic. So, the idea behind this was we were actually going to plan to go on a picnic January 12th. So we played off like we were going to go during a cold snowstorm, which was January 7, 2017. And we all know how Diego Armando is. He flips out over the littlest things. So, he kept trying to convince the campground worker that he wanted to go on a picnic during the snowstorm, say he could handle anything. But knowing the campground workers, they already heard every excuse. So they didn't let him go because they know how Sandman is. And they were kicked him out prior, to 2 years prior. You know, somehow kept coming back. And what made it even funnier was the fact he wanted to go on a picnic at 25 degrees. Was probably the funniest part. Because I don't think any sane human being would go on a picnic during that kind of weather. And during the episodes, Diego Armando tried to kill someone again. And then this leads to the 3-year anniversary of Sandman's Greatest Freak Ever. When DP and Eddie Guerrero, I believe, trapped Sandman on the escalator. This one had to be one of the most ridiculous episodes we ever filmed. Because of Diego Armando's craziness. The original idea for this episode was they were going to trap him on the escalator and he was going to jump out immediately. But Diego Armando didn't know that because he thought he was legitimately trapped on the escalator. So we didn't know how to move or simply walk down. They nearly committed suicide by jumping off the escalator. Ultimately end up attacking everyone. And they get attacked, which is what he gets. And then we have episode 76, where Sandman found out he wasn't in the Royal Rumble. Now this episode was actually bittersweet. Bitter because Roman Reigns is number 30, but sweet because it wasn't Sandman, even though I actually do want to be in a Royal Rumble, but I mean Diego Armando Sandman I'm talking about. This is kind of bittersweet right there. And Sandman flipped out because he had to give Goldust $20. He didn't really want to give him $20. And so this is pretty much it for this Sandman episode. See you guys in the next one.